Last time we solved this by creating a temporary variable, and now we will solve it without creating a temporary variable. Let's see how can we do that. Class 1, class 2, class 3. What should be in class 1? Milk. Milk is currently in class 3. What should be in class 2? Water. Water is currently in class 1. What should be in glass 3? Juice. And juice is currently in glass 2. Now we will print the results. Glass 1 contains glass 1. Glass 2 contains glass 2. Glass 3 contains glass 3. Now we will run the code and here's the output as per our desire. Milk in glass 1. Glass 1 contains milk. Glass 2 contains water. Glass 2 water. Juice in glass 3. Glass 3 contains juice. That's all.